Hello watercolor friends. We are starting with a simple sky, cobalt blue and cerulean blue. A touch of indigo and let it dry. Fill up your brush with phthalo blue, sparingly and easy on water. Hold the brush flat and move it across the paper. Dab some paint off. The best paper for this technique is watercolor cold press. I'm adding red to give the mountain a more warm and interesting look. Sprinkling red paint, then yellow over the green mountain. Sketching a pine tree. Somehow I forgot to turn on the record button. Just a few details and this painting will be finished. I hope you will visit my channel again. Ciao for now.